Today, we will work on our best trading strategy with our best trading view indicator. We will keep improving ourselves day by day until we achieve great trading skills. As usual, we'll start from the weekly charts until the micro-minute time frames. If you are good to go, let's start now. Let's talk about this nice beam trade and try to improve our trading skills to the next level. As you already know, we start from the weekly and discover what is going on in the other time frames. This way, you will learn to see bias, momentum, and the entry. There was not much going on with the weekly chart, as you can see. This price was being held by this nice weekly imbalance. Obviously, sellers were pushing the price down and the buyers were resisting really well. At the top, we have this nice imbalance, but it is a far away target for us. It is not very usable if you ask me. Daily chart was similar to the weekly chart. This precise imbalance with small support and resistance flip area was holding the price really well. However, this time we had this great imbalance area to be filled, as you can see at the top. So my conclusion is this: there is a big fight between buyers and the sellers in this coin. I cannot really say one side is overly dominant over another. Then you may ask me why I chose this coin to trade. The answer is actually extremely simple. First, this coin was in the top 5 gainers. Second, the momentum layout was great. All thanks to our lovely indicator called ICT High Time Frame Candles. This indicator showed me everything I needed in under 10 seconds. Let's see what this indicator is telling us. It shows the price taps the 3 time frame imbalance points in one layout: 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and the 1 hour imbalances. This is our fuel station if we really wanna rally again. So, we have some data in our hands. Let's check the lower time frames to make an entry. This 2-minute chart was really interesting to observe. First thing that I do is spot my supercharge point from the momentum layout, as you can see. This yellow circle indicates I can look for trades now. And this impressive downtrend liquidity is great because it gives me more confidence there are some other reasons for the price to go higher. Later on, structure breaks strongly, as you can see, and this price deeply pulls back until this nice balanced price range. Moreover, this price is now in the discount zones to buy. I hope that all of you remember the premium and discount lessons from the free trading course. This was another great sign to long. Okay, right in this area, price was holding really well. This is a very clear 1.5 hour trade setup, a little lower than that I normally do. But why? So, due to our masterclass 3 layout system, we have 3 elements. Bias. In this example, bias is not extremely clear. There's a fierce battle between buyers and sellers. Momentum is perfect. We have the initial rally, rest, and then the 3-tap imbalance for the supercharge. Entry. And the entry is clear enough with market structure break and the imbalance. Okay friends, it is almost the weekend. Let's have a nice Friday break and enjoy the rest of the day. See you next time and please take care. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you have improved your trading skills and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will also learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. You will discover the yo-yo strategy and the rally strategy with one free indicator. If you are interested, you can find the links on my website on the descriptions. Take care, my friends, manage your risks, and stay safe.